Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix the Windows system errors using some powerful commands, okay? If your PC is acting weird or certain features aren't working, this quick guide will help you get everything running smoothly again, right? First, I want you to go and click on your start menu over here, type CMD or command prompt, and make sure to run as the admin. So left click on this. Next, we need to run some commands, all right? So first, I want you to run the specific command. Okay, I'm going to show them in my screen. Hit enter. This might actually take a while, so I'm just going to skip everything. Okay, proceed with this next command, scan health. This will also take a few minutes. Once done, we will proceed with another command, which is restore health. So use the restore health command, hit enter. It will also take a few minutes to complete. And the final command would be the well-known SFC scan, right? This will check any critical sections on your computer that are corrupted, and it will automatically fix them for you, okay? So this is the optimal way because if you will just run scan or SFC scan now without doing the previous commands, it won't be able to check every single part of your PC that has corrupted files on them. So go ahead, run this command. It might take a few minutes and it will show up in here your progress and show you if there's any corrupted files found. So for a final command is going to be chkdsk/f/r, alright? Hit enter and you will get this message. You can go ahead and type yes to confirm. This will automatically restart your computer and run a diagnostics on your entire drive and PC system, right? It might take a few minutes, but it will show you a message that you can actually skip it. Just make sure to not do anything. Let it run the diagnostic up until it's 100%. It will automatically boot up your computer. And once you're back on your desktop, you can now go ahead and see if everything has been fixed. By doing all of these steps, I'm sure that it has fixed most of the critical components in your PC that has been corrupted. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.